Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, and you are watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes, listeners, in previous lectures we started tahajji letters. So tahajji series still continue, and today we are going to introduce seventh tahajji letter. So today we will discuss how to read this letter and how we can pronounce this letter, how we can sound this letter kha, and what's the point of pronunciation of this letter kha actually. So let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about this letter sound. So how we can sound, how we can pronounce this letter. So how to read this letter. So you can read this letter as kho, 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 like that. Okay. So you have to read this letter with bold sound. Why? There are 29 tahajji letters, but there are 7 bold letters of 29 tahajji letters. So this letter is actually first bold letter of tahajji letters. So that's why you have to practice this with bold sound. So when you will read this, when you will practice this, so two sounds comes actually. So first one is like like that. So this sound is actually wrong sound. So you have to read this with bold sound like like that. By circling your both lips a little circle, not too much. So you can circle your both lips, and then you can read to produce, to create bold sound of this letter. Okay, so now we are going to start the about the point of pronunciation of this letter. So what's the point of pronunciation of this letter, where from we can originate this letter kho? So look, you can look, you can see in this picture. So you can pronounce this letter from upper part of your throat, like we discussed in the previous lecture. There are three parts of your throat. First one is upper part of your throat, second one is middle part of your throat, and third one is bottom part of your throat. So you have to pronounce this letter from upper part of your throat. So that's why we can say the point of pronunciation of this letter kho is upper part of throat. So now I hope you will practice this letter with bold sound, and you will try to pronounce to originate this letter from upper part of your throat. And I'm hoping you are practicing all the previous letters, and you are listening all the previous lectures and tutorial. And please must share these all lectures on your Facebook, on your Instagram, so everybody can practice, inshallah. So thank you so much for listening me today. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next lecture. Take your good care. Enjoy your day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.